One rumble, millions of gallons rushing in. When tectonic plates collide, it's not just the ground that feels it. The ocean reacts too. A powerful undersea earthquake pushes entire water columns upward, triggering a tsunami. On March 11, 2011, Japan was hit by a 9.1 magnitude quake, one of the strongest in recorded history. The wave, up to 40 meters high in some places. It destroyed towns, flooded nuclear plants, and reshaped coastlines in minutes. And to think, it all started miles below your feet. If you like, please subscribe.